a lazy day today. And when I mean I did nothing yesterday, I did absolutely nothing yesterday. Alright, good morning. We're in North Baltimore, Ohio at the Petro truck stop. It's Sunday morning, Mother's Day. We did absolutely nothing yesterday. This morning I did wake up and I did my laundry and I took a shower. Our load's doing pretty good. We got big reels of conveyor belting. It's like a rubber conveyor belting, so they're riding pretty good back here. But other than that, not too much exciting going on. I thought it's a little chilly out here too. I thought we'd go here walk and take a look at these oversized loads over here. So these are pretty interesting. These came in yesterday. Wings to an airplane, and it says down on the bottom left-hand wing, and then that must be the right-hand wing over there. But so you can see this is probably the part hooked to the body, and there's the wingtip right there. But pretty interesting. I have no idea what kind of plane, but both of these came in here, oversized loads. We'll walk over here real quick. Bunch of Landstar trucks. This is a nice little truck, Petro. Usually not very busy. They got nice showers, nice laundry facility, so it's not bad at all. So there's the right wing. So they got a special device to hold them in there. So, all right, we'll get going. It's gonna be a nice little short day today. About 2 hours up to where we got to be, and then we'll call it quits. So we'll make a quick little driving video this morning. All right, we're all logged in. We're gonna go across the street over to the Loves and get some fuel. I bought fuel here at the Petro Friday, so we'll go across the street to the Loves, get some fuel, and then we'll I'm adjusting the seat height. I'm just a little bit too high. And then we'll go get some coffee. And I was looking at Google Maps on which way we need to go. We're gonna go 75 north, and I think 75's all messed up in Detroit, so Google Maps is saying a couple ways, so I'm not exactly sure which way we're gonna go yet, but we'll figure it out. It's only 2 hours up there. We'll take our time, mosey on up there. If I can get it in gear. You guys can ride with me across the street to the Loves. So I woke up early this morning and got a shower, did my load of laundry. Usually I try to buy groceries on the weekend, but I got enough to last for a while. I have my name in on a load. It went on the board late Friday after hours, and I put my name on it. It's going down to Indiana, but I won't know till tomorrow morning if I got it or not. It all depends on who's ahead of me and what position I'm at. But we'll see what we can come up with, because it's kind of slim pickings up here for freight. Now there's stuff. It's just stuff that I don't want to do, and maybe I'm getting a little bit too picky, but it's just stuff I don't want to do, or puts me in a bad area. So there's no need just to take a load and still end up in a bad area. So then I have to fight to get out of a bad area. Alright, we got the green light here. And the reason I'm going over to the Loves is so I can get a shower coupon for the Loves. I don't know when I'll need it or not, but we'll get one. Plus their coffee's a little bit cheaper than at Petro. But yeah, my temperature gauge says it's 52 outside. It's chilly out there. It's chilly. The Loves is kind of empty. Too sure what's going on here. I think that guy right there, not this guy, the other guy, for some reason he's trying to park in that spot right there. Remember what I said about parking? First rule of parking is park in the easiest spot. He's trying to park in that parking spot right there, but I don't know why. See all these empty parking spots over here? All you gotta do is just whip it around, back straight in, no problem at all. Now, if that was the only spot left in the truck stop, I understand. I understand. See this guy here, all he did is pulled up, back straight in. But it's Sunday morning, I'm not gonna let it bother me too much. Alright, let me get some fuel and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, I got 50 gallons of fuel, some coffee. I think we're ready to go. Just a lazy day today. And when I mean I did nothing yesterday, I did absolutely nothing yesterday. Watch TV all day. Sometimes you just need a down day. Hopefully this week coming up will be pretty busy. We had a good week last week. We were pretty busy. I think that guy finally gave up parking in that corner spot, because I think that's him right there. Get it in there? Let's see. No, he gave up. But that's what he was trying to do. He was trying to get in that corner spot right there. Alright, that's it. Let's get going. We're just going straight up through Toledo, Detroit, up 75 to a rest area. About 135, 140 miles to go. So talk to you in a bit. We made it over here to Michigan near Flint, where we have to deliver in the morning. We're sitting in a rest area. We're only 6 miles away from where we have to deliver. It's going down to a quarry. Quarry? Did I say that right? Quarry? I don't know if they got parking or if they do, if it's a mud mess, but it's been raining, so I'm just going to stay here. Here, I'll show you the rest area. I haven't done a rest area review in a long time. This one's not too bad. You can see, as long as they got enough space in the front to pull out and enough space in the back to pull in. But this rest area ain't too bad. And then T2, if you need to, for some reason, you can hop the curb, not too bad. But we're in a Michigan rest area. There's only about 3 or 4 trucks here. If you see in the mirror, there's another one. But so we're gonna hang out here. I'm gonna edit a couple videos, get them together, and then we'll find out tomorrow if we get our load or not. That load, it hit the board after hours, so it has to go through the system first before I know if I got it or not. So hopefully we'll get it, and we can start a good week next week. So anyway, short day today. That's it. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I got 50 gallons of fuel, some coffee. I think we're ready to go. Just a lazy day today. And when I mean I did nothing yesterday, I did absolutely nothing yesterday. Watch TV all day. Sometimes you just need a down day. Hopefully this week coming up we'll be pretty busy. We had a good week last week. We were pretty busy. I think that guy finally gave up parking in that corner spot, because I think that's him right there. Get it in there? Let's see. No, he gave up. But that's what he was trying to do. He was trying to get in that corner spot right there. Alright, that's it. Let's get going. We're just going straight up through Toledo, Detroit, up 75 to a rest area. About 135, 140 miles to go. So talk to you in a bit.